We require Micron Pigma, PN and Micron 02 fine liners. You can use any other brand as well. I personally like these ones. These are waterproof and are refillable, so I personally like these ones. The thick stroke looks like this, and then the other one with 02 tip looks like this. Now this is a charcoal pencil that I use. This is from Kimlin and it is the hard one. I use it for outlining and giving some shades and all to pencil drawings. This is a mechanical pencil. I use it for drawing mostly, so definitely consider buying this if you do not have, and a ruler. We also need some pencil colors. I personally recommend using these Staedtler's Luna watercolor pencils. You can also use other brands like Faber-Castell or Polychromos or any other brand in general. I personally recommend using the Staedtler ones. We also require a sharpener. I use a mechanical sharpener and an eraser. Sheets A4 sized. You can use ivory sheets as well.